Hi there. So today's problem is max number of k sum pairs. So we are given an input of integer array and an integer k. So our job is to pick two numbers for every iteration or at every step so that the two numbers sums up to k. Like that, how many times we can pick those two numbers? That is the problem. So let's get into our solution. So if you see, we have a integer array nums and a k5. So if you manually calculate these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 and 2 sums up to 5 and 4 and 1 sums up to 5. So if suppose we are taking 4 and 1 in our first iteration, so the count becomes 1, and in second iteration we are taking 3 and 2, the count becomes 2 and the array becomes empty. So there are two operations we can make, that is we can take two pairs that sums up to 5. So let's see how we are going to approach this in our algorithm. We are going to work on this algorithm using two pointer method. So we are going to have two pointers, left and right, and a counter to calculate how many counts we are going to we can take the pairs, and that will be our solution we are going to return. So now consider our array. That is our second example given in the problem. So the first step I'm going to do is sort the array. So let me sort this array. This will become 1 3 3 3 4. So now why I'm sorting the array? To identify where the lesser elements and where the bigger elements are. So the left points the lesser element and the right points the largest element in the array. So now we are having our pointer left here and right here, and we're gonna calculate. First thing is adding the lesser number and the greater number sums up to k or not. So first I'm going to calculate 4 plus 1 is equal to k. No, it is not equal to k. So in that case, what is the number? Whether the number is less than or equal to k or greater than or equal to k. It is clearly 4 plus 1 5 is less than or equal to k. So in that case, we need an extra element or a higher number to be added to this array. So I'm moving the left pointer to the next index. That is, I'm going to iterate left because I want a higher value. So it is moving on to the higher value. Now left and right adds up. So 3 plus 4, 7. 7 is equal to or less than or equal to k. So it is not equal to k. So it is greater than k. In that case, we need a lesser element to be added to the number because the value is higher than k. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to move the right pointer towards the lesser number. So I'm decreasing or decrementing right pointer and moving it to 3. So now again left pointer is at 3, right pointer is at 3. We are adding 3 plus 3. Yes, 3 plus 3 adds to 6. So clearly our counter increments. So now our counter is 1. So I added 3 and 3 and the sum is 6. So I am going to take these two values from the array. Both the left and right pointers move to this position. So now our loop ends and we are getting out of the iteration. So the steps are pretty simple. We are going to assign the pointers. Before that, we are going to sort the array and assign the pointers and iterate from 0 to n. So these pointers move when they took the elements away. That is, if the sum is equal to k, then both the pointers left and right get increments. If not, if it is, this is one condition. Our second condition is if sum is greater than k, only the left pointer iterates, sorry, less than k. If it is greater than k, the right pointer decrements. This is the simple logic. So let's code and see. As I explained the problem, directly I'm going to type the solution. So as I said, I'm gonna have three variables: left, right, and count. Let us initialize count, and left is, as I said, first I'm gonna sort my array. So next I'm gonna assign the leftmost element to the left pointer, that is the lesser element or the smallest element. Sorry, let me just define the index. And right is the largest element. So now we are going to have the loop while if nums of left pointer and right pointer is equal to k, then we are going to increment the count, increment the left, and decrement the right as the pointers move to the next elements. If not, else if nums of left is nums of right is greater than k. What if the numbers are greater than k? Which means it is a larger number, so we want a smaller number to be added. So we're gonna reduce the largest number to the next largest. If not, if it is greater than k, that is the only condition left, so we are not adding the condition here in the code. So I'm just incrementing the left pointer, because if the sum is less than k, it needs a higher value. So we are pointing the left pointer to the next lesser value. So now finally we are going to return the count. Yes. So if you see, the two pointer approach is very similar to the one more problem, boats to save people, we discussed in our channel already. So I've added the link in description. So if you want to learn that, go and check that link. So yes, a solution is accepted. For the same problem, there are other solutions using HashMap. But if you use HashMap, the time complexity increases. Like I have submitted a HashMap code already in LeetCode that was showing 44 milliseconds. So this is a better solution compared to that. So thank you.